As we discussed in our last video, overthinking is exactly what it is: thinking too much. Thinking about mistakes, the future, or decision-making. Now sometimes, it is hard to differentiate between overthinking and deep thoughts. To illustrate this, let's say you have a big project representation next week. The good news is that you are perfectly suited for your job. You are strategic and perceptive, but your thoughtfulness, which is usually your asset, comes in your way. You stress out about decisions, big and small, which slowed down your progress. You did not trust your own judgment and you second-guessed yourself. And as hard as you tried, you can't stop yourself. We all have been there, isn't it true? So how do you know if you are deeply thinking about an issue or overthinking it? Here are a few things to help you to tell the difference. First, deep thoughts move you forward. Overthinking keeps you stuck. Deep thoughts are solution-focused. It aims to solve an issue and is purposeful. Overthinking, on the other hand, is open-ended, circular, and doesn't provide useful insights. For example, being occupied about what the other might think of you doesn't help you move ahead. Deep thoughts focus on what matters. Overthinking is obsessing over the inconsequential. For example, you have an interview coming up. Do you spend your time learning about the company and practicing your responses? Or do you agonize over the previous interview you had that did not go well? Overthinking keeps us attached to the past, worried about the future, and turn minor situations into major ones, which can lead to needless overreaction. Finally, deep thoughts are emotionally neutral. Overthinking is emotionally draining. When you are in deep thoughts, you might thoroughly analyze an issue or a problem, without judging yourself. You focus on neutral, observable facts. However, overthinking is driven by negative self-talk. Your thoughts might not reflect the truth of the situation and tend to be very self-critical and harsh. As you can see, the difference between overthinking and deep thoughts is not about the time you spend on deliberating, rather it is how much the quality of your thoughts do enhance your overall performance. A report published in 2020 by the World Economic Forum on the future of the job state that by 2025 job skills like critical thinking, problem solving, and self-management will be the most in demand. For this reason, precisely, it is very important to move from overthinking towards deep and thoughtful thinking. Now that you know the difference between overthinking and deep thoughts, meet me in the next video to discover how you can practice self-awareness to overcome overthinking. Thank you for watching. See you soon.